I'm not gonna embarrass him today. Great, I'm so gonna get detention for this.
Amara, why aren't you wearing the school uniform?
Because my soulmate chose for me to wear this.
You know when the teacher sees you, she's gonna give you a detention, right?
Yeah, I know.
Amara, come here.
Yes, miss?
You're not wearing a school uniform. Why?
Because my soulmate chose for me to wear this.
Is that your excuse? Your soulmate?
Look, if you're gonna give me a detention, just do it already.
Just because you said that, you're getting a 2-hour detention.
Payback time. You really think I'm gonna wear a bikini to school? Not happening. Wait, really made you wear a wedding dress to school?
Yeah, he's horrible.
Wait, why am I feeling kind of sick?